Look at this! It is an amazing morning! It is a very big egg. It is in the barn. Leo! Leo! Come here, quick! Look at this right now. What is it, Lily? Why are you calling me so loudly? Look at this giant egg. It is so huge and heavy. Wait, where is the giant egg? I do not see it. It is gone. Oh no, the giant egg is completely missing. Let's find it together. Come on, follow me outside the barn. Is the giant egg hiding here? Let's search the corners carefully. No, it is not here. The chicken barn is empty today. Hello, Mr. Cow. Do you see the big round egg anywhere? The cow is just eating grass. It does not know anything. Let's check near the old tractor. Maybe it rolled over there. Look at the big wheels. Do you see the egg hiding? No, the egg is not behind the red tractor today. Let's check inside the tool shed. It is very dark inside. Be careful, Lily. Do not trip over the big wooden boxes. The egg is not in the shed. I only see tools. Maybe it is under the big apple tree. Let's go quickly. The wind is blowing softly. The green leaves are falling down. I do not see any eggs. I only see green apples. Where can it be? This is a very big mystery indeed. Let's ask the pigs. They are playing in the dirty mud. Hello, little pigs. Did you see a giant white egg anywhere? The pigs are sleeping. Let's not wake them up right now. Let's look in the carrot garden. The bunnies might know something. Hello, little bunnies. Are you hiding a giant egg around here? The bunnies are jumping very high. They have long, soft ears. No, they are only eating sweet carrots. They look very happy. I am very tired, Leo. Our farm is just too big. Do not give up, Lily. We will find it very soon. Listen! The dog is barking loudly near the small duck pond. Let's run to the pond right now. Hurry up, Lily. Look over there. There is the giant egg in the grass. We finally found it. It is safe and it feels warm. Wait, it is moving. Look closely at the white eggshell. The egg is shaking a lot. It makes a cracking sound. What is inside the giant egg? Is it a scary dinosaur? Shh. Listen to the tiny sound. Be very quiet, please. Oh my goodness! A little head is coming out of the shell. Wow! It is a beautiful baby goose! It is so small! Its feathers are very soft and yellow. It looks like clouds. It is very cute. Look at its tiny beak and feet. Hello, little goose. I am Lily, and this is my brother. The baby goose is making a soft noise. It says hello.
It is looking directly at you, Lily. It really likes you.
Look! The baby goose is following my footsteps everywhere I go. You are a mother goose now, Lily. That is so funny. Welcome to our lovely farm, little goose. We will protect you. We need to give our new friend a very good name. What name should we give to this cute yellow baby goose? Did you enjoy our amazing farm adventure today? It was fun! What is your favorite farm animal? Please tell us in the comments. Thank you for watching our video. Have a wonderful, happy day. Don't forget to subscribe and comment below. See you next time.